Whether your choice of dessert is something filling like a chocolate cake or something citrusy like a lemon tart, we can all agree that dessert is the best part of a meal. Sugar is considered addictive, and why one slice of cake is never enough because it mimics the reaction of typical feel-good drugs. When you consume something sugary, your brain's reward center is activated by releasing the hormone dopamine, commonly known as the happy or feel-good hormone. The reward center accepts sugar consumption as a positive message and promotes consumption of the compound again and again. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows, as the adverse effects of sugar overconsumption are pretty well known. Here are the 5 ways in which sugar affects your body. Number 1. Deteriorating immune function. The immune system, mainly comprising of white blood cells, creates antibodies to fend off against pathogens such as bacteria, viruses, or fungi invading the body. It's known that organisms like bacteria and yeast consume sugar, so when there's excess glucose in the blood, the risk of bacterial infections rises. Additionally, glucose has a similar chemical structure to vitamin C, a compound needed for the effective functioning of the immune system. The body may grab glucose molecules instead of vitamin C due to structural resemblance, which affects the timely immune function of the body. Number 2. Accelerated skin and cellular aging. Aging is a natural phenomenon of the human body, and with it comes a declining skin elasticity. Wrinkles and saggy skin are undeniable facts of the future. However, the process of aging is sped up when greater quantities of sugar are consumed. Sugar promotes the growth of compounds known as advanced glycation end products, or AGEs. These compounds have been linked with reducing collagen and elasticity in the skin, leading to the formation of wrinkly skin. Similarly, sugar consumption also speeds up cell aging by shortening telomeres, a protective cap to prevent chromosomal loss. Number 3. Worsening heart health. Too much sugar consumption leads to an excessive amount of glucose in your bloodstream. Higher glucose levels pose many threats to heart health, but specifically destroys the structural integrity of the arteries. Inflamed walls of the artery and constricted space restricted blood flow to vital organs. Higher glucose levels have also been linked with causing higher blood pressure, which further increases the risk of heart diseases. Number 4. Declining mental health. Multiple scientific studies have shown a positive correlation between high sugar consumption and increased risk of depression. The activation of the reward system on sugar consumption also plays a vital role in deteriorating your mental health. The intake of refined carbs also promotes inflammation. Chronic inflammation intimacy plays a role in bringing about the classic depression symptoms, such as appetite loss, disrupted sleep, and a higher perception of pain. And finally, number 5, lower energy level. Where sugar is typically associated with higher energy levels, consumption regularly leads to an overall decrease in your energy. Higher sugar levels cause the energy levels to fluctuate dramatically. One minute you may be experiencing a sugar high, and the next you'll be down to a sugar crash, unable to even walk across the room. Well, did you learn something about sugar today? If you did, please leave us a comment in the comment section down below. Also, send us any questions you might have.